So I know I'm good over here. This height is perfect now. I'm gonna measure from here over to here, whatever size I need for my saw. Mine just so happens to be 35. I'm gonna give myself plenty of room. So I'll make a mark right here. So now I know where I'm gonna start it here, but I wanna get a level line across so I know where to put it height-wise. I'm gonna mark this plumb so I have a nice clear mark where to start that 2x4. Hold it level. It's resting on top of that. That is the start. And then I can take this over here and continue that line. Now I need to decide where to put this part of the workbench, how far to go. That's pretty good right there. I want to leave some room right there, probably hang my ladder up. Yeah, 6 feet from this line. Since I want to build it all the same way, I'll subtract 1.5 inches for this 2x4 and hold it past that line 1.5 inches. And that's actually where I want to start the 2x4. Right into the studs. My level right here. There's a tiny bit of a bow in here, so I'm gonna take this screw out. Screw at an angle right here. I'm gonna try. Oh yeah. Too much actually. There we go. We're gonna put this right here to the original plumb line so that this piece can sit on it. Now I have my 32-inch piece going this way, the width of the entire workbench, and I'll attach it over here. Now I can hold this where I want the leg, hold this level, 34.25. Minus 1.5 inches for the PT. I'll just put this under the same way as the other side. I'll make sure it's level. Good. So I cut a piece at 32 inches, the width of the whole workbench, and this is going to be 6 foot plus 1.5 inches. I could cut this back if I wanted exactly 6 feet, but this is fine. So now I'm going to cut the fronts the same as this, which should be 70.5. So 2 of those. They'll sit right here. Now I can take one of these right here and then attach it right here. I'm going to attach it to the front so there's not too much weight on this, so I can get a measurement for my leg here. Well, I guess this is the thing about trying to use scrap wood and have it all be the same, because this is a new 2x4, this is a new 2x4, but I think this is like a premium board or something like that. But there's a little lip, I'm gonna have to shave that down too. No big deal, but something to keep in mind. Well, that's perfect. I guess I don't even need anything here. Just kidding. 34.5. Minus 1.5 inches, 33. 33. Looks about plumb. Perfect there. Perfect there.